Morning everyone, and in today's video we're going to take a ride on the Nami Bonnie. Alright, there's a rumor on the internet that the Nami wants to build a bigger version with a bigger battery, bigger wheels, probably more powerful. Wow, that'd be something. Well, maybe I'll buy it. Maybe. Well, it all depends what they do. If they concentrate on the maximum speed, nah, I wouldn't bother. 100 kilometers per hour, 95, whatever that is, it's plenty enough. What are you going to achieve that speed? It's okay, let me just pass them through. Come on, come on. It's like, I don't know. I would definitely prefer acceleration, my dear friend. And acceleration in the Nami is damn. Alright, brake. Woohoo! Whoa. Bam, bam, bam. Very nice. Whoa. Whoa. That's a nice track, isn't it? But it's quite dangerous because usually cars don't care about peasants like electric scooters. So it is quite dangerous. Oh, look at that graffiti. Very nice. I'll definitely take a photo. I need a couple of photos for my Samsung Galaxy review for my other channel. Let's do it. Bam. Wow. Bam. Alright. Alrighty then. Let's continue. Oof. Oof, it's cold. Alright. A lot of graffiti. Oh, smokes. Power! Told you it's dangerous. Well, okay, what if we stop here and make another photo for the Samsung review? Look at that kickboxing. Wow! It's a cool graffiti. Okay. Bam, and wide angle. Bam. Okay, wide angle is too dim. Bam. All right, there's plenty of cars coming in. All right. Woo. Oh. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Woo-hoo. Okay, no cars. Fantastic. Now. Da-da-da, da-da-da. All right, calm down, calm down. God. And power. Woo! Brake. Slipping policeman. Oh. Phew, what's that stinks? Power. Bam. Usually there's like no cars. I don't know what's going on today. The traffic is insane. All right, finally we're out. Woohoo! And brake, because this is the dead end, my dear friend. No worries. Going this way. Whew. It's cold. Alright. You know what? We could go. We're going this way. I don't know. Let's try it. Wow. Check this out. Wow. Power. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. The amount of roads we have here for electric scooter is astonishing. Plenty of roads, plenty of flat, beautiful roads to take a ride. Look at it. Woo! Power. Alright, let's come down. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Power! Woohoo! Alright, brake. What happened? What's going on here? What's going on? Ooh. Alright. No asphalt. Okay, let's go slowly. Slowly, my dear friend. Back. Up. A little bit of power. I'm on the S drive, so it's like 80%. Ooh, check this out. Whoa. Let's go. Whoa! They forgot to put the asphalt in there? What happened? Ah. What's the deal? There's not enough money, or it's strange. Ooh, something is fishy going on here. Something very fishy. Let's move on. Let's move on. I'm out of here. Wow, look at that view. Okay, slowly, slowly, slowly. Woo! God damn! All right, we have to brake, because it's hard left, my good friend, hard left. That's a good exercise for the brakes. And let's go this way. Are you retarded? Maybe. Look at that steep hill. Let's go, 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 let's go. Power! Wow! Nami is so powerful, it's insane! Okay, calm down. It is very windy. Ooh, I'm cold as it's very cold. Brake, 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 brake. Okay, we lost juice in the battery. Battery in the camera was depleted, in the camera, not in the electric scooter. And now we're using a power bank to charge it up. Wow, how peaceful it is in here. There's like no wind. Very strange. Anyway, maybe because we are in a hole. Anyway, let's move on with Nami. And power! Woo! Alright, calm down, because it could be dangerous. Look at the view! Woo! Bam bam! Bam 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 bam. Whoa, 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 where should I go now? Oh, this way, nice. A dedicated bike lane. Ooh. Alright. calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. Woo! Ah! And we are back to the main road. Whew. Up. Okay, GoPro is killing it. Very nice. On the power bank, there's like no disconnections, nothing. Just works. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, there's the fuel station, which we need to take a photo for the Samsung review, especially the gas prices. Oh, check out the gas prices, my dear friends. 669 6996. Bam, that's fine. I mean, that's all I need. Hoppa. Alright. That's a stop. There's a stop. And I think that's all I have. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.